Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and welcome back to my channel. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I am back with another hair review, guys. Listen, it doesn't stop, so be prepared to hear these words almost every goddamn day. Okay, so like I said, I am back with a hair review. Let's go ahead and open up this package. As you guys can see, I did not open up the package yet. Why? Because I just wanted to open it on what you call this, on camera. I was about to say online. What am I talking about? Okay, as you guys can see, I'm also watching Love and Hip Hop. Hold on. All right, so got the package open. Oh, something else in there. Hold on, something else in there. Oh, it ain't nothing else. I'm bugging. Ooh, this packaging though. I swear, like, the boxes just get better and better. Like I said, I am big on packaging. Like, I just love packaging. And this box is just so pretty. Look at the flowers and stuff. And it's red. One of my favorite colors. Anyways, this is Shela Hair Company. And when you open the box, you go... Stop playing with me. Hold on. Stop playing with me. Hold on. No, hold on. No, I'm hyped. Hold on. Hold on. Yo, hold on, Shela. Shela, why you playing with me like this? They teasing me hard right now. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Nah. This can't be real, y'all. Hold on. They gave your girl 3D mink lashes, bro. You guys do not understand. Me and Raina, I'm not even gonna start that. Anyways, no, I'm not even gonna start that. But anyways, y'all, they gave me 3D mink lashes, y'all. I swear to God, I was just looking up lashes the other day. 3D mink at that, but not 3D. Y'all, they gave me 3D mink. And y'all, you know what's crazy? Y'all know what's crazy? As I was getting ready to make this video, I'm like, damn, my face looked mad pale. My face look mad plain, like my eyebrows not done. I don't have no lashes, nothing. I'm about to look mad regular. But look what they done did. They done bless your girl with some mink lashes, y'all. Yo, I never had mink lashes. Nah, this company, no offense to all the other companies, but this company, oh, they're at the top now. They at the top, y'all. You know the other companies, they be giving them other lashes. Nah. They just bless your girl with some 3D mink lashes. Wow. Ooh, I'm feeling it. I'm gonna put these on when it's time to take pictures. Anyways, back to the hair. This is not about the lashes. Back to the hair. So they give you 3D mink lashes when you open up. They also give you, nah, this company's blessed. Why they blessing like this? Why they blessing me like this? They know what they doing. They want me to, nah. They know what they doing, yo. They blessing me with some clips, hairpins, and what you call these, scrunchies. Yo, they blessed. Listen, I'm big when it comes to all this. Like, I love little things like this because I just love hair. So why not love all the accessories for hair? Like, what? Nah, they just blessed. Okay, now back to the hair. Now it's time to pull out the hair. Oh, and yes, they also give wig cap, black. I wish it was brown. Anyways, that's cool. So, now to get to the wig. This is an 18-inch Hold on. This is an 18-inch 360 wig, baby, Bodywave. Yes, I said it. 360. Your girl finally got her hands on a 360-inch wig at that. 360-inch wig? What the heck? Your girl finally got her hands on a 360 frontal. That's what you call them? 360? I don't know. But yeah, I finally got my hands on this. And shout out to Shela Hair Company for being the first company to bless me with a 360 frontal. Y'all don't understand. I've been fiending for a 360 frontal. I literally just said this previously in one of my videos that I'm waiting for a 360 and the full lace. Full lace? The company who gives me a full lace? Oh, okay. Y'all wait on that. Y'all wait on that. Let's wait on that company too. But okay, In the hair, I'm gonna take the hair out the package. My 360 frontal wig. And it's a wig at that, y'all. I don't have to make it. It's already made. So, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take the net off the hair. Get off me. Y'all see that bounce already? Do y'all see that bounce and the shine already, y'all? Look at my hands just running through this hair. No tangles. No tangles, baby. No shedding either. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. So when you take the wig out, it looks like they already, what you call it, pre-plucked the hair, which is fine to me. And like I said, I'm always gonna go in. It kind of looked like the knots are already bleached, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it kind of looks like the knots already bleached. The wig looked good. I wish I could try this wig on now. But you guys know I'm not going to be installing this hair until this comes out. This is like another week or so. I'll probably take this hair out because your girl is fiending to put this in. You feel me? And of course, I'm going to be coloring this hair. I'm going to send this to my girl Erica to color because I'm not going to color this. I just don't feel like coloring it. Like, it takes too long. But, yeah, I'm going to send this to my girl Erica. Yeah, I got a 360. Like, do you see that? Is this life? Like, I could put this up. Put this in a ponytail. A ponytail. Okay. So the wig has 1, 2, 3. The wig has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. It also has 1 adjustable band in the back. Of course, you can adjust that. Plus, you have the clips to tighten it. I like the way they made this wig. Like, I never held a 360 wig, so like, guys, I'm like so amused right now. You guys don't understand. Can't wait to put this on. To install this, I'm gonna install this on camera, of course, because I gotta see how we're gonna do this. I gotta see. I never installed one, so you guys know I have to look up videos now on installing 360. Like, oh my god. Let me see if I can put it on. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I could wrap this hair around. Let's see how this would fit. I'm dragging it. Oh my god, hold on. I pray to God that this wig fits. Like, you guys don't understand. I really hope this wig fits. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yeah, it fit. It fit. This joint is tight and it's nice. I didn't even put the adjustable bands, and this joint fit, y'all. Don't mind the blonde hair. Just look at the black hair. Oh yeah. Do y'all see that? No, I think these knots are already bleached. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, I don't think y'all know how excited I am, honestly. Oh yeah, these knots are definitely bleached already. Cause no way it looks so real. Ooh, and the hair is so soft. Oh y'all. Y'all ready for this install? In this color I'm about to do? Oh yeah, I gotta send this to my girl Erica like now, because I need this for now. Now. Guys, y'all don't understand how hype I get when it comes to hair. I love, one off rip, I love hair because I'm the type of person, I change my hair like honestly every week. One day I change my hair, I change my wigs like 4 times in one day. Just because like I love feeling like a different person every minute. You know what I'm saying? And this wig, also I love trying new companies. Like all of these companies that I have been trying, I've never heard of before. It's a great opportunity to even get a chance to try all these new companies. But Shela, Shela has been my #1 company so far. I just want to see how it takes color. It doesn't have a smell to it. No, it doesn't have no type of smell. It's 18-inch Bodywave. Yo, when I put this hair in, I'm taking everybody man. I don't care. I'm taking everybody man. And of course I'm gonna wear it straight. Yeah, do y'all just see how, yo, I don't have to do no type of plucking to this hair, y'all. This joint's already pre-plucked. What? What? Shela, stop playing. What? Shela is playing with me. Shela, I'm gonna need you to stop playing with me. Alright, let me see if I put it up. Let me see how it looks if I put it up. Well, you won't be able to see nothing when I put it up. Nah, but y'all, hands down, so far this company got me so, like I always say. And I want you guys to know that when I do these reviews, I am not lying in these reviews. I'm being 100% honest, and believe me when I say that. I'll put that in my life, y'all. Like, I'm being 100% honest. One time, I think it was one time, I didn't really like a company, and I told you guys that because why? It's all about being 100% honest, because I don't want to lie about the hair and then the hair is bad and then you guys go and buy the hair and come to find out the hair is bad as hell and I was lying. See, that's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. Like, I would never do something like that. Even a lot of you guys always hit me up about the hair too before I even purchase the hair, and I always give y'all my honest review about the hair after I'm done wearing it and everything. So you guys know, whenever you guys are about to purchase a company that I am promoting or doing a review for, you can always feel free to hit me up and I will be totally honest about that company. You hear me? And also, most times when somebody hit me up about a company that I really wasn't feeling after I was done wearing it, I would suggest another company. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all about honesty, man. Honesty is key, if you know what I'm saying. But y'all, okay, shout out to Shela Hair Company for blessing me with this 360 that looks bomb already without being touched and styled. Also, shout out to yeah, I just tripped over a wire. Also, shout out to them for blessing me with these 3D mink lashes that I'm about to be wearing. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to head over to Shela Hair Company. Check out their company. Everything will be down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah, I just have to turn back on the camera real quick. Like, do you guys see these lashes? Do you guys see these lashes? Like, shout out to Shela Hair once again, y'all. Go ahead and purchase you some hair to get some free 3D mink lashes. You feel me? Alright, I'm out now.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broken cell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling all the shows.